Joy Quilts are Dawson, Alberta. Today we're quilting a tulip. The design is built into our software, into the Art&Stitch software. It is kind of pretty. One is facing up and one is facing down. And to add even more interest to the design, we've inverted every other row, every other row, so that the design kind of goes way out and then comes back in again, kind of like a tulip bulb. We're using yellow polishing thread on the top and pink polishing thread on the bottom. We often mix our threads. The only rule basically is that we try to keep the thread the same brand and weight. Color is no problem. You can sometimes adjust the tension. In this case, for example, we had to put our tension down. Otherwise, because it is a pointy design, the pick at the end was showing yellow on the back. So let's take a look after the first row to see if there's anything that we want to change. That's a good point to stop and make any corrections or adjustments that you need to make. This quilt is batik, which is again one of our favorites, with a flannel backing. We mix batiks and flat cottons all the time. Don't ever have a problem with that. Flannel just gives it a bit of a warmer back. It's a very tight design. Lots of quilting in this one. This pattern is very similar to one of ours, which we call buttonhole slide. The difference is buttonhole slide is made with 1¼ strips, and this is made with 2½ strips. Basically a pretty little lap quilt with a nice spring tulip on it. Joy Quilts are Dawson, Alberta, joyquilts.com, Facebook, Hotmail, Instagram.